Hello everyone and welcome back, and today we're working on the Peugeot partner and we are changing the number plate lights. Now this is actually my work van, so I won't be showing it from the outside for reasons, but today we're going to be sticking some lovely Philips LEDs in there just like that, just when they get into focus. Yeah, they might do it. Oh, maybe, they're sort of in focus. Anyway, yeah, luckily this job is entirely from inside the door here. And we're going to start by removing these clips. I think there's 10 of them, and you just move the sensor out of here, and then they should come out quite easily. I really struggle with these for some reason. Don't worry if you break them, because they are like super common. You can just go on eBay and find a pack of 10 or whatever. All right, there we go, and that's one off. So let's move on to the other 9. Yep, there's definitely 10 now. I've counted. Now, I've noticed in the earlier models there isn't actually a door handle on the inside here, so I'm not sure if the clip's the same, but when you pull it out you'll be unclipping it like that. There are clips around the door handle there. And then here we are, this is it. This is where the lights are stored. Really strange for a Peugeot for them to be in the door rather than on the exterior, but there we go. You rotate them 90 degrees and they pop out just like that. Chance to lose the rubber seal is kind of useful. So yeah, you can see here that the bulb has indeed blown on mine. That was the original reason I was replacing them. I do like LEDs. I do think they're cool, and in my opinion, if you're going to do a job, then why not put something better in? These are really nice Philips LEDs. They're the 6K ones, and here we go. This is them plugged in. LEDs do only work one way, so it's important you test them before we start sticking them all back together. And there you go. That's rotated and stuck back in. I will also say that these bulbs have been with me for about 8 years now, and they just don't die. I keep switching them between cars. You might recognise them from the RCZ. But there we go, that's it. All you do now is put the cover back on like that. And yeah, that's it. I hope you lot have enjoyed. It's quite a simple one once you know where it is and you know what you're doing. And hopefully, if you stuck LEDs in as well, you won't have to ever do this job ever again. So it'll probably outlive the van. But there you go, I hope you lot have enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!